This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Okay guys, look like the sunflower has completely opened up. Well, maybe not, just a little bit leafy. Oh shoot, that was a June bug. Thought it was a black bumblebee, but I got a little bit ways to go still. Not much, probably by tomorrow I guess, but it looks pretty. Oh, I want some different colors, but okay. I did pick my little tomato. There it is. And got some stuff on the bottom of it, but it's no holes. It's all right. First tomato. Yes, looks okay. Nothing ate it. Just gotta wait on the rest of them to turn red. Gardening spirit boosters. I am in my kitchen. Tomatoes sitting on top of the stove. You see my little knife, serrated knife. Best knife to cut tomatoes, not the little slick ones like this. You gotta can't be like that. That's a little slick one. To cut a tomato right, you need a knife like this. I think I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is not a Roma tomato. It's a round red tomato. So, and I think that these little spots under here, maybe this spotted discoloration under here, I believe might be the parts of the tomato that didn't turn red. If you guys agree or not, say so in the comments. But right now I'm getting ready to slice this baby open, and with this little hat on it, the little green, the vine part reminds me of how they sell them in the store, 6 to a pack, and they keep the little vine on there. So cute. But yeah, I'm getting ready to slice it and see what it looks like on the inside. Even though if it's okay, I'm going to eat my first homegrown. Well, this is not my first homegrown tomato. I've grown a tomato on the balcony before. This is like my second time. Yeah, since that first time I did it, this is the second time I'm doing this. And this time I have a lot more tomatoes than I had my first time. And it was a little bit bigger than this. This is like, I don't know, 3 times the size of a cherry tomato. Or about 4 or 5 cherry tomatoes put together, about that small. But let me cut it open. Hold on, y'all. As you can see, it's a very small tomato, so it's not a lot of, I guess, tomato meat as far as the part where the seeds are. It probably could have been left on the stem, I guess, a little bit longer. But I'm still gonna see what it tastes like. It looked pretty good on the inside, except I do think it should have been left a little bit longer, I believe, because the seeds look a little green. Is that right? This tomato is small, so I don't know. It could have been maybe a couple more days, but let me slice it one more time and give it a taste. Well, you see, I sliced it, and what are those colors at? And the discoloration is not inside of the tomato. See it? That's the discoloration, but it's not inside of the meat on the flesh. It's real hard. But I don't like tomatoes that are too soft or mushy. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Yeah, my little piece I bit off. The tomato is actually really good. Now, I'm on a salt-free diet because of blood pressure, high blood pressure. So, to me, this tomato salt tasted as though it had a little salt on it. But it don't. I didn't put salt. Excuse me for talking while I'm chewing. But it's very tasty. It's hard, but it's okay. Like I said, it should probably stayed on there a little bit longer. But I'll see with the rest of them and see how they go. But this is a good tomato. Really good. I like it. Congratulations, Miss Janita. My name is Janita, if y'all don't know. For old and new subscribers, my name is Janita. It's in my about. If you click on that word about on my homepage, you can read my bio. My name is Janita. Okay? Y'all can say hi, Janita. But yeah, Miss Janita, myself. I love my homegrown tomato. The other day I had to buy some extra ones. I had to buy some tomatoes because, you know, these tomatoes take forever to you know, for me to harvest. But anyway, this is exciting, growing your own food. Oh, I love watching Susie's channel, Soft Folk. She has an amazing channel. Everything she grows turns out terrific. Boy, if I had her garden, I would never have to go to the store because I love zucchini, tomatoes, everything that she growing in that garden of hers, I could use, and I wouldn't have to go to the store and spend any money. Love you, Susie. I love your garden. And I admire you so much in that beautiful garden of yours. And it's a whole bunch of gardeners on here that I love. Garden Rooftop is great. Plant a Plant. Laura. Patricia. See, that's why I want y'all to help me get my thing so I can get my community tab so I can put my gardener's name on my community tab. I want to shout out. It's a bunch of you guys. I love your videos. It's just amazing. I love gardening videos. Just be patient with me trying to get around to support your channels. It's a lot because it's a lot of gardeners I have to go see. I don't mind, but you have to be patient with me. Don't unsubscribe. Stay subscribed. I have all these subscribers, and I don't know. It could be YouTube unsubscribing. Y'all got to check your subscription and make sure I'm still subscribed to your channel or that you are subscribed to mine. Please do that. But I enjoyed sharing this video with you today. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. I'll be seeing you guys in your video. Well, I'll be visiting you guys to see your videos. Thank you for coming to see mine. And y'all have a great gardening day. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.